Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna get MCP and Eclipse set up. So first, we're gonna have to get to this link. I will have the links in the descriptions. So down below. So this link for MCP and Eclipse. For MCP, just go down. You'll find MCP 6.x, or it's under releases, but it'll have something different sooner or later. So just download. It's next to. It'll give you a meter fire link. Just download it, save, I guess, if you want to save. I'll just save. And now we need Eclipse. So here, we're going to have to get Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Just click on it. And now you have a whole bunch of options here. For Windows 32-bit, Windows 64-bit, Mac, and Linux. Mine is Windows 64-bit, so I will select that. Select the first link here. And Eclipse will take a while to download, sadly, so while we're waiting for that to download, we're going to first get set up, I guess, with MCP. So you want to make a new folder anywhere, call it MCP, all capitals. I prefer on the desktop because I have room. Copy and paste everything inside .zip. Now, in the MCP folder, you should now have a bunch of files. First thing you want to do is update MCP. It'll just ask you a whole bunch of stuff sooner or later. Just waiting for it. Yeah, it'll ask if you want to update. Press, just enter yes. Keep on going. Just go with the flow. So once that is done, we're going to have to get Minecraft. Why is there so? Oh yeah, wait, never mind. So, anyways, after we get this, we're gonna have to clean up. Just because. Yes, it doesn't really matter. Those folders are useless. So now in .jars, we need to get Minecraft server and Minecraft.exe. So for Minecraft.jar. So for the Minecraft.jar, you want to go open your Minecraft and force update by going to options, force update, then log in. For the server.jar, you want to go to Minecraft.net in any browser. I recommend Firefox. I don't know. I just can't download it in normal Explorer for some weird reason. So here it is, bottom. Go to downloads, bottom of multiplayer server. Just waiting for it, I guess. Waiting. Save file. Open containing folder. Close. We don't need that stuff anymore. And you want to drag your Minecraft server file into the MCP jars. For Minecraft, you want to close it. Go to Start menu, go to Run, or type in Run if you have Windows. Yeah, Run. And then you want to type in %app data %, A and capital D. Okay. You will have a .minecraft folder. Just double click it. Bin and resources. Select those two. Copy. You don't need the folder anymore, and paste into the jars. So we'll just wait for it to finish. Now what you need to do next is download ModLoader from link in the description, of course. Just wait for it to load. And also you won't need too many items, but I think it's quite useful for testing your mod. And also you will need you need paint.net for well, maybe in the next tutorial I'll show you how to set it up and everything, but paint.net is basically used to make the texture. You can use Photoshop, but it costs quite a lot, so just scroll down to ModLoader, find about 1.2.3, save, go to too many items. Yeah, so right here, changed methods, so just download here. This one's a ADF link, don't know why. Just put this here. Alright, so now my tutorials are going to involve ModLoader, so go in MCP jars bin, open up Minecraft.jar with you can open it with WinZip WinRAR or 7-zip. I prefer 7-zip because it's good for beginners. Here's too many items. So what we do now is open up your ModLoader.zip. Just need to drag this in. There we go. So in this, you drag all the folders from ModLoader into Minecraft.jar. Press yes. This Minecraft.jar, by the way, is the one, MCP jar's bin, not your app data.minecraft folder and stuff. So now after we drag it in, we delete meta.inf. It's very useless. It'll give you a black screen, so we don't want that. Now we go to decompile, and yeah, MCP is now set up. Now we need to set up Eclipse when it's done downloading. And that was a whole bunch of anime stuff. Let's see, downloads. It's almost there. Well, I'll just pause the video because decompiling takes a while. You will get one error, and I'll show you the error once it's decompiled. So be right back. Alright, so I'm back, and this is the error you will get. It says error is found when decompiling with ModLoader. A single hunk failure in render blocks is expected. Blah blah blah. Just ignore it. It's absolute crap. And the key to continue. So Eclipse finally finished downloading. We will just gonna place in this folder. So now open up your the Eclipse. You'll in the Eclipse.zip. Yeah, you'll get an Eclipse file. Just drag the Eclipse file down somewhere. I have to delete my old one. I'm just deleting this for the tutorial, by the way, so yeah. You don't actually have to delete it if you already have it. It's a terrible idea. But anyways, when this is done, we'll just drag Eclipse out, and we'll set up MCP with Eclipse. Then we'll just we'll have to like fix some warnings that we get, just because Minecraft is full of warnings, I guess you can say. Alright, so now we'll just drag this down. This could take a little bit of time. You should get about 4 warnings when you associate Eclipse with MCP. The warning is basically 2 warnings is because of excessive codes. We're just gonna delete that, and then the other 2 is because some fail settings. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is well, actually, I'm gonna first send it to desktop. Create a shortcut right there. Alright. Don't need this. Don't need any of that now. Oh yeah, and make sure when you go to source Minecraft net Minecraft source, you actually have all of these folders. Make sure you can find modloader.java and basemod.java. So now we'll open up Eclipse. On first run, it will ask you to find workstation. To find your workstation. We're going to be using Eclipse for Minecraft, so use this as default. We'll browse down to desktop. We'll go to MCP, and Eclipse will be the workstation folder. Press OK, and just wait for Eclipse to open. It shouldn't take too long. And here we go. This is Eclipse. Now we have to go to a file, refresh, and yeah, just so it senses all of MCP's file. My mouse is lagging a bit because it's refreshing. Alright, so 2 warnings. It's gonna go up to 4. Yeah, there's that. Yep, 2 dead codes and 2 environment stuff. So we don't exactly need a task list, so we'll just X that. It's pointless. And outline, not needed. X that too. So now we have more space here. So first things first, we'll go to client, source, net.minecraft.source. Go scroll all the way down to tile entity mob spawner.java. To the right, you'll see yellow warnings 1. Go down and you'll see dead code. It's just a yellow bar, and right there it is. It's underlined in yellow. Just hover your mouse over the line. You should get a pop-up saying dead code and quick fixes. We will remove it and save. As you can see, that solved 1. The other one is pretty easy to find. It's just the exact same thing just in server. So just do what? Same thing, mob spawner. a little remove and save. Always remember to save. If you forget, you're gonna have some errors. All right, so the second one, you right click client or server, go to Java build path, go to libraries. This is wrong right here. So we will remove GARE system library Java SE-1.6, remove, add library, GARE system library, next, and finish. So now it'll give you the correct one. I guess press OK. Do the exact things, same things for server. I don't know why I got an error there. Errors are worse than warnings, obviously. Hopefully you get, yep, there we go. The error has disappeared. Now we will refresh. We can't refresh. Oh, there we go. Refresh, nothing. So there we go. Eclipse is now set up. We can exit, and you are now set up. So my next tutorial, I'll show you how to create your first mod block. Yeah. Here's the instructions. Although it's outdated, kind of outdated. I have to update it. And there we go. Have fun.